Hold on. If you're serious about making money, especially without any investment, you can't skip this video. Why is this video showing up for you right now? Well, it's because you've been struggling with money, and God has sent this video to you as an opportunity. This is your chance to finally make real money without spending a dime. So, here's my humble request. Watch this video until the end, because in the next few minutes, I'll be showing you how I made real dollars without any investments, and how you can do the same. Just pay attention to my voice, focus on what I'm saying, and ignore the screen for now. Everything I say will guide you step by step. Let's get started. Most people are lying to you about making money online. You've probably seen the videos. Make $10,000 a month with zero effort. Passive income while you sleep. No skills required. It sounds amazing, but when you actually try it, nothing works. So I decided to test it myself. I took 7 days, picked 5 of the most popular side hustles in 2026, and tried to make real money from scratch. No audience, no special advantages, no shortcuts, just a laptop, internet, and the goal: make as much money as possible in 7 days. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which side hustles are worth your time and which ones are a complete waste. And yes, I'll show you the real numbers, including how I went from $0 to actual dollars in just 1 week. Let's start with the first side hustle: AI content creation. This is one of the most hyped methods right now, especially in the US. The idea is simple. You use AI tools to create content like blog posts, social media captions, or even scripts, and then sell them on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. It sounds easy, but the real question is, can a complete beginner actually make money with this? On day 1, I created a Fiverr profile, offering AI-generated blog posts and SEO-optimized articles. I used higher PM keywords like digital marketing, online business, and passive income strategies, because these niches pay more. The competition was insane. Thousands of sellers were already offering the same thing, but instead of giving up, I optimized my gig with a strong title, clear benefits, and fast delivery. For the first 24 hours, nothing. 0 views, 0 clicks, $0. But on day 2, something changed. I got my first message. A small business owner needed blog content. I delivered quickly, kept it high quality, and charged a low starting price. That one order made me $15. Not a lot, but it proves something important: this actually works. By the end of day 7, I completed 3 orders and made a total of $65. It's not life-changing money, but it's real and it's scalable. The second side hustle was print on demand. This is where you design t-shirts, hoodies, or mugs and sell them online without holding any inventory. Every time someone buys, a third-party company prints and ships the product for you. I used platforms like Printful and connected it to an online store. Now here's where strategy matters. Random designs don't sell. You need to target specific audiences. I chose a niche motivational finance quotes because it combines emotion and money, which performs well in the US market. I created simple designs with phrases like "build wealth in silence" and $100,000 mindset. I listed them and waited. Day 1, nothing. Day 2, nothing. It felt like a complete failure. But on day 4, I got my first sale. A hoodie sold for $29, and after costs, I made about $8 profit. By day 7, I had made 3 sales, totaling $24 in profit. Not huge, but again proof of concept. The biggest takeaway: this is a long-term game. It doesn't explode overnight, but with the right niche and marketing, it can grow into a solid income stream. The third side hustle was affiliate marketing, one of the highest PM opportunities online. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale. The key here is traffic. Without traffic, you make $0. So I focused on creating short-form content. I made simple videos recommending tools related to making money online, things like website builders, AI tools, and financial apps. I used platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts because they have massive reach. The first few videos barely got any views. It was frustrating, but I kept posting consistently. On day 5, one of my videos started gaining traction. It wasn't viral, but it got enough views to generate clicks. And then it happened, my first commission, $12. That moment changed everything. By day 7, I had earned a total of $38. Affiliate marketing is powerful, but it requires patience and consistency. Once you build momentum, the income can become passive. The fourth side hustle was freelancing. This is probably the fastest way to make money online. If you have any skill, even a basic one, I chose a simple service, video script writing. Why? Because it's in high demand, especially with the rise of faceless YouTube channels. I created a profile on Upwork and started sending proposals. This part was tough. Most beginners quit here because they don't get responses, but I treated it like a numbers game. I sent multiple proposals every day, kept them short, and focused on value. On day 3, I got a reply. A YouTube creator needed scripts for finance videos. Perfect match. I delivered one script, then another, and built trust. By the end of the week, I had earned $120 from freelancing alone. This was the highest income out of all 5 side hustles. The lesson here, it's simple if you want fast cash. Freelancing is one of the best options. The 5th and final side hustle was digital products. This is where you create something once and sell it multiple times. I decided to create a simple PDF guide called 10 Ways to Make Your First $1,000 Online. I kept it short, actionable, and focused on high-value topics like side hustles, passive income, and financial growth. Then I listed it on a marketplace and promoted it using free platforms. At first, it felt like nothing was happening, but on day 6, I got my first sale, $9. By day 7, I had made 3 sales, earning $27. Digital products are powerful because they have no inventory and high profit margins. But just like affiliate marketing, they depend heavily on traffic and marketing. Now let's talk about the final results. After 7 days of testing 5 different side hustles, here's how much I made. AI content creation, $65. Print on demand, $24. Affiliate marketing, $38. Freelancing, $120. Digital products, $27. That brings the total to $274 in just 1 week, from $0 to $274. Is that enough to quit your job? No, but it proves something important: making money online is real. It's not magic, and it's not instant, but it works if you choose the right strategy and stay consistent. So which side hustle is actually the best? If you want fast money, freelancing wins. If you want long-term passive income, affiliate marketing and digital products have the most potential. And if you're just starting with 0 skills, AI content creation is a great entry point. Print on demand is the slowest, but it can grow over time if you stick with it. Here's the truth that most people won't tell you. There is no easy money. Every side hustle requires effort, learning, and consistency. But the difference between people who succeed and those who fail is simple. They don't quit after day 1. They keep going until something works. If you're watching this right now, you have 2 choices. You can keep scrolling, keep watching videos, and stay exactly where you are. Or you can pick one of these side hustles, take action, and start building your own income stream. Even if you only make your first $10, it's a start, and that first $10 can turn into $100, then $1,000, and eventually much more. The opportunity is real. The tools are available. The only question is, are you going to take action? Or are you going to wait while everyone else moves ahead? Start today, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. The income results shown are based on personal experiments and are not guaranteed. Earnings may vary depending on your effort, skills, market conditions, and consistency. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before starting any side hustle or making financial decisions.